Today I'm going to show you how to use Evernote for business organization so you can keep your clients, projects, meetings, and important files all in one clean system. If your business notes are scattered across emails, documents, and random folders, this setup will help you stay organized, save time, and find everything faster. And if you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign into your account. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because Evernote works best when you build a structure that matches the way you actually run your business. The goal here is not just to store notes, but to create a system you can keep using every day. Next, click New Notebook. This is where you'll begin separating different areas of your business. A good setup is to create notebooks for clients, projects, meetings, and invoices. That way, instead of searching through one giant pile of notes, you can go directly to the category you need. If you work with multiple clients or different teams, this alone can make a huge difference in how fast you stay organized. If you want an extra layer of control, create a notebook called Inbox. This is optional, but it's very useful. Think of Inbox as your temporary holding area. Any new idea, quick note, meeting reminder, or random business thought can go into Inbox first. Then later, when you have time, you can sort everything into the right notebook. This keeps your system clean without slowing you down during a busy day. Now let's make your notebook structure even more efficient by creating a stack. A stack helps group related notebooks together. So if you have several notebooks for business, you can bundle them under one label like business or clients. For example, you might place clients, projects, and meetings inside a business stack. This makes navigation easier and gives your workspace a more professional, organized feel. Once your notebook structure is ready, start creating notes for each meeting, project, or client. The key here is consistency. Instead of putting everything into one note, create separate notes for separate topics. That makes it much easier to search, update, and share information later. For example, if you had a meeting on July 16th, you could title the note July 16th, 2026, Team Meeting. If it's for a specific client project, use a title like Client A, Project Plan. Clear titles save time every single day. Inside each note, organize the content with headings, bullet points, or tables. This is where Evernote becomes more than just a notes app. You can use it to structure agendas, track action items, store client requirements, outline project steps, and keep meeting notes readable. If the note is a meeting summary, you might add a heading for discussion points, another heading for action items, and another for next steps. If it's a project note, you could use bullet points for deliverables, and a table for deadlines or owners. Next, take advantage of Evernote tasks. You can click the task button or type task to create a task right inside a note. This is really helpful when you want to turn a note into action. For example, during a meeting, you can write down follow-ups and assign due dates so nothing gets lost. That means your note isn't just information anymore, it becomes a working business checklist. If your team is moving fast, this feature can help keep everyone accountable. Now add tags to help with searching and filtering. Tags like urgent, finance, or marketing can make a huge difference when your notebook starts growing. Instead of remembering exactly where you saved something, you can simply search by tag and find related notes instantly. Tags are especially useful if one note belongs to more than one category. For example, a client proposal might belong to both finance and marketing, and tags make that easy to manage. Another important step is attaching files directly into your notes. You can drag and drop PDFs, spreadsheets, images, or other documents into Evernote. This is perfect for contracts, invoices, meeting attachments, receipts, and project assets. Having the note and the file together keeps everything in one place, which is exactly what you want when running a business. No more digging through your downloads folder or email attachments to find what you need. To speed up your workflow even more, use the search bar. Evernote Search lets you find notes by title, content, or tag, so even if your workspace gets large, you can still pull up the right information quickly. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Evernote for business organization, because it turns your notes into a searchable knowledge base. The more consistent your titles and tags are, the faster search becomes. If you use meetings regularly, you can also connect Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. This is optional, but very helpful because it can bring event details into your note workflow and make meeting prep much easier. Instead of manually recreating the context of every meeting, you can keep your calendar and notes working together. That means less duplicate work and a smoother process from planning to follow up. And if you work with a team, you can share notebooks or individual notes so collaboration stays simple. This is great for shared project notes, client work, team meeting records, or internal documentation. Sharing the right notebook means everyone stays on the same page without needing to send endless email updates back and forth. Just make sure your notebooks are organized before you share them so the structure stays useful for everyone. A simple way to think about Evernote is this. Notebooks are your main categories. Stacks are your larger business groups. Notes are your individual records. Tags make everything searchable. And tasks turn information into action. When you combine all of those pieces, you get a system that can support your business every day. So, to recap, open Evernote, create notebooks for your business areas, use an inbox for quick capture, group related notebooks into stacks, create clear notes, add headings and bullets, turn key items into tasks, tag important content, attach files, search efficiently, connect your calendar, and share what your team needs. That's how you build a clean and practical business organization system inside Evernote. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more software guides like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to build a full Evernote client management system or a project tracking template in the next video.